Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In this video, we will build a machine learning project that will predict the electricity demand in a city. Here we have the historical dataset of 5 years and we will use this dataset to predict the future demand of electricity. This is our complete project. Here we have imported our dataset and we have used different functions like datetime function and set the datetime as the index of our data frame, then the describe function, then we have check for missing values and handle the missing values, how to delete a row, how to delete a column. Then we have used the ffill method and bfill method, also the interpolate method. Then we will learn how we can create a new column, changing the data type of any column. This is the filtering process. Then we have make use of holidays module, the value count function, and most importantly we have used the lagged features here in feature engineering, the ilog function. Also we have make use of rolling window to find out the rolling mean and rolling standard deviation. Here we have draw the chart for the demand over the time. This is our box plot, our second box plot, and we have drawn the scatter plot. This is our confusion matrix and heat map. Now we have start building our model. We are defining x and y, and we have used the XGBoost model in this project. We are initializing the model and training the model. Then we have making the predictions and visualize our predictions and saving our model in our local computer system